Hi, this is Abhishek back with another new vlog. Here today we'll unbox, install and review the usage of Eksa 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Let's have a look on buying options online. So here let's unbox, and here you see all the specifications. Make sure when you receive you have the seal intact, and here comes the device. So here you see you have the branding of the Eksa, and you have two ports which will be connecting to the Macbook. Here you got the HDMI, and here all the ports you have to attach. Now let's install the device with the MacBook Pro. Here you got two ports USB-C which will be connecting to the body, and this is the HDMI. Let's connect the HDMI here, and here the charging cable. If you see in the hub there is a icon for the fast charging, that is the Thunderbolt, so you can put the charging cable there. And let's attach the USB-C types with the MacBook Pro. And as we have connected HDMI, now you can see you have a dual display. This is the close view. Here showcasing all the 7 available ports are attached with a different kind of devices. When using, observe the hub and Mac left panel gets heated because hub connect closely with the Mac. When communicated this to customer support, they assured that this design is quality checked and safe to use, but you take a final call. That's all today. Hope you find this helpful. Upcoming vlogs will continue to explore on the accessories you may need for your MacBook Pro. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and see you soon with another vlog.